Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and it is my second comp ever today. We're at DDC, it's round one. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do all the rounds. I'm just going to get this car off. It's going to be really fun. It is a little bit rainy and a little bit cold. That's okay because the track will get warm and it'll get fast and it's going to be so fun. But anyway guys, let's get this car off.
And now I'm taking over for the day, 'cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause
Alright, so we've just been to briefing, got the number, and we're about to go out. I'm really excited for today, so let's do this. So we're just here in the car. We've been doing a few practice runs and now we're just going to do a few more, and then we've got the actual qualifying, then the actual competition.
I'll never let go.
Alright, so that is the end of practice, and now we're going on to qualifying. I'm in the queue now. There's no particular order, it's just first come first serve, and we're about halfway through the queue, so I think we'll be alright. It's still raining, but I'm on these semis and they're really grippy. We've got about 13 psi, so yeah, that's the lowest we can go, and if we're going lower, these tyres are not going to stay on these rims.
This young man is 13 years old. Max Cotton, 13 years old. Brilliant.
Yeah, he's got his own blog going, so if you have a look on the Facebook pages, Max Cotton there, come up with a blog, and he is telling everybody and giving some information, not just on himself, but on Drift Team. They do a lot of work, him and his father do a lot of work for the Pro Drift Academy. And the Pro Drift Academy have helped him out. He came up here and borrowed the car, they went with the car, and he got around quite well, a very heavy car. And I need to tell you, of all the cars to use, an E30 at the BMW range is one of the harder ones to drive, so he's done a good job there. So give him a round of applause at 13 years old, didn't let the nerves get to him. He might need just to tighten up that bottom corner down where our start marshal is, just wants to put the nose in a little bit if he can, but he's going again, straight off. Quite a nice line, he's right out on the clips this time. Across to clip 3, nicely done. And now he needs to pull it in nice and tight on the front of that car all the way around the line, which he does. That's an improvement on his last run. Not that I'm a judge, but I'm just saying, observation, not a criticism. Over to you, Phil.
This is a nice tidy run from Max, second run. Setting his nerves on his first run. Oh, he's banging up this down run there.
So come on guys, over the grandstand. Let's make a little bit of noise. Max Cotton at 13 years old.
Let's have a proper ripple of applause for this one. In at 23rd, scoring a number that I'm not going to announce, Max Cotton.
Alright, so some really good news. I qualified 23rd. I'm really happy with that.
So online now, Daniel Baxter. Red compact. Max Crossing. 13 years old. Nice line, reasonable line for both cars. Daniel to chase that. Nice entry for both cars. Max on the qualifying line. Nice line for Max on the speed run. Round 13 years old, what a hell of a lead run.
Alright, so I'm still full of adrenaline from that run, but I don't know if my dad got it on camera, but I won. I was really excited, and yeah, it's been amazing. But anyway, we're gonna go and do our next run, so let's get some clips of that.
Marcio in the lead run, back on the chase run. Marcio's fired it down that straight, thrown in, nice angle. Max is running a nice qualifying line. Push the car out wide on the right side without the easy surface. It doesn't take a lot. Completed run. Going to be clean, tidy run. Max also completed his run, but with that spin in the middle, it's a bit of an advantage going to Marcio into the second run. Down now, and Marcio makes a small mistake. And Marcio will be aware of that. Just looking for a nice clean run. Max running a really nice line through there. Back out on that clip. Nice transition. Nice control. Pulls the front in. Runs that last clip. Really tidy run for Max on that second run. Really good quality lead run.
Alright, so I lost that battle. Unfortunately, I spun for the first time of the day. But anyway, the car is very muddy. But all round today, I've had an amazing day. Second ever comp, and it was amazing. But anyway, when we were loading this on, you can see my car's no exhaust, because when we were loading it on, the car's too low, and then my just came off. So I had a bit of a kerfuffle with that. But yeah, thanks to the guys at Norfolk Arena, because they helped us out so much. Malx was really nice, gave me some advice. But anyway guys, I'll see you on the way to Silverstone.
Yeah, on your own, boys.